Hi everyone, I'm making this video to give you an idea about how to do your EL Civics tests this week and also next week. So first of all, I hope you had a fantastic winter break and that you had enough time to relax and spend time with your family and friends. I had a wonderful winter break and a little bit sad to be coming back to work because I had such a good time with my family, but I missed you guys too. So happy to interact with you again this week. Okay, so this week and also next week, it's finally time for you to take the EL Civics test that we have been reviewing and practicing for the last 3 weeks before the break. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to remind you that there are 2 parts for this test. The first part is, well, honestly, there's 2 parts. You can do either part first. One part is the EL Civics speaking test, and the other part is the EL Civics writing test. So I will talk to you first about how to sign up for a time to do the speaking test, because this is a speaking test that you will do with me, one-on-one. So one student and the teacher, me. So we will do this speaking test using Zoom. Now, if you have been a part of our video chats each week, usually on Wednesdays, then you know how to use Zoom already. We do our video chats with many students and the teacher, but for the test, we will use Zoom just one-on-one. So that means you need to sign up for a time that works for your schedule. Now, my schedule is not completely open. I do teach a class every morning, Monday through Friday, so I am not available for any morning appointments during the week, but I am available on certain days in the afternoon and other days in the evening. So I wanted to show you this website called Doodle, which is used to schedule appointments. So if you've never used this website Doodle before, you just click on the link in this in the assignment for the speaking test, and it should take you right here. So the instructions are right here. Please choose just one time that you would like to take your EL Civics speaking test. So just choose one time, one day and one appointment time. After you sign up, you will get an email from the teacher, me, with a link to the Zoom call on the day and time of your test. So I will send you an email with the Zoom link. Just click on the link at the time you selected, and you will do your speaking test one-on-one with a teacher. Okay? So this website, Doodle, is a little bit confusing at first, so I wanted to show you some of the options. So first of all, they have 2 options for you to look at the appointment times. You can look at it here as a table or here as a calendar. Now please click on calendar, because as you can see, it opens up all of the appointment times, and on the table you can't see what times are available quite as easily. It goes left to right when you're on table, and if you go to calendar, then it's up and down, which I think is a little easier to see. So the first thing I need you to do is write your name right here, first name and last name. So I will do that right here. Don't write my name, write your name, just as you registered for the class, so I know who you are. Now we have sometimes this week, So we have Monday through Friday here. These are the times that I have available this week. So we have if you look over here at the times, this one is 12:30 to 1. Then there's a 1 to 1:30, a 1:30 to 2, and a 2 to 2:30 appointment. So if any of those work for you, you can click on the one that works for you. Similarly, on Friday, I have 4 appointments available. Now, don't worry, this is not all of the appointments. If you click on this button right here, it will open up next week. And next week, I have even more appointment times for the speaking test. So, for example, on Monday, January 13th, I have appointments starting at 3:30 in the afternoon, and the last one ends at 8 o'clock p.m. So if you work during the day and need an evening appointment, this is your best day to choose. I also have afternoon appointments available on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. So again, just choose which appointment time works best for you. So for an example, I'll just click on this first one here. So now you can see you are selected for one appointment time right there. And then I will click send to send it to the teacher. So then I will get an email showing me your name and what appointment time you signed up for. So then when it gets closer to the appointment day and time, I will send you that email with the link to the Zoom call. And during the Zoom call, I will be the interviewer and you will be the applicant for the job. And we will have like a example job interview. So I will ask you many questions like, tell me about yourself, and can you tell me about an accomplishment you're proud of? Or I might ask you a question like, how would your peers or coworkers describe you? All of those questions that we've been practicing in the last 3 weeks, I could ask you any of them. So that will be what we do during the Zoom call. And you'll notice each appointment time is for 30 minutes. Now, please don't worry. The test will probably not take 30 minutes. It will probably take 5 minutes, maybe a little more, maybe a little less if you're really well prepared and you can answer the questions very easily and very fast. It might take less. It definitely will not take a full 30 minutes, but sometimes computers have some problems, technical issues. Maybe, your sound is not working well or your video is not working well. Sometimes those can take a little time. I also didn't want to schedule the appointment times too close together. So please come to your appointment time on time and just know it probably won't take a full 30 minutes. Okay, everybody, good luck signing up for your appointments. I look forward to talking with you one-on-one soon.